Ever wonder why some guys make women chase them effortlessly while others are left on read? It's not about looks. It's not even about money. It's about psychology. In this video, I'll reveal 5 mind-blowing psychological hacks that trigger her desire to chase you. The last one is so powerful, she won't be able to resist. Step 1. Create the uncertainty effect. Be a little unpredictable. Step 2. Become a high-value man. Be the prize, not the pursuer. Step 3. Use cold reading. Make her feel deeply understood. Step 4. Make her invest first. The more she invests, the more she wants you. Step 5. Trigger dopamine. Use push and pull to create addiction. Apply these psychological hacks and suddenly, she's the one trying to win you over. Drop a comment below. Which of these 5 hacks do you think is the most powerful? Let's talk in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more game-changing dating psychology tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. I'll see you in the next video. Stay legendary.